Hi there, trainee. Hope so you will be doing good. So let's start our today topic. Today topic is about like asking and telling date and time. Mean how to ask date and time from other and how to tell them what's the time going on, what is the date today. So we will go for this. So let's start our today topic. This is the major topic in telling time and in asking time. For example, this is the need of time. We just are like inquiring something in time and in dates along with the day, years. So this lecture will help for you in your communication. So first is just how to tell them the time. So these are the two tables. In these tables, the first one is like as usual times we are going on. This one is like something different. For example, here is it's 2 o'clock. Same is it's 2 o'clock. For example, is here it's 2:05. So is it? It is 5 past 2. It is 5 past 2. We just change this in this, and then it is 2:10. So it is 10 past 2, and then we can say it is 2:15. So here is a it is a quarter past 2. So after 30 minutes the time will be just remaining. We will just mention the remaining time here. For example, if someone says how many minutes are remaining, so we can say that it is 25 to be there, 2 to 3. It's half past 2. This one is like 2:30, and it is 20 to 3 mean 20 minutes are remaining from 3. It is 10 to 3 mean the 10 minutes are remaining from 3. So this one is like a structures. So key vocabulary related to the telling time, how to just ask time. We can say, excuse me, could you tell me the time please? And we can say, what time is it? It's half past. The answer should be like in this one. It's half past, it's quarter past, it's 10 past, it's quarter to, it's 22, and it's 20 past. Instead of saying something that it is 2:15, 2:16, 2:30, so this format is very good and formal formats. We should just like implement this format in our talk. Time, a day vocabulary, you can say morning, am, noon, and midday, and afternoons, evenings, midnights. These all are the format of time. So next is like asking for the time. What's the time is going on? Mostly we just go for these questions. What time is it? So time is it means it is 2:30 p.m. We can say it is 2 half past. And then for specific period of times we just use at for the specific period of times in our talking. When asking for specific time for something, we use at plus time. For example, what time does the game start? It starts at 7:30 p.m. So we use this one, means 7 half past 7. We can see p.m. along with at. How to say the date and time? Do you know the name of the month? If you know this, it will be very easy to just like say or ask. Do you remember the week of a month, days of the week? And then there are the ordinals numbers. We mostly use in dates the ordinals number, not the cardinals number. In ordinals number, we can say the first, second, third, fourth, sixth, whatever we are going on is one 19. So there are only 30, 31st we can say. So how to ask the date? There are several ways to ask the date from your interlocutor, from your addressee, whom you are going to address. So what's today is? What date is it? What's today? And what date is today? So by using these formats, you can ask the dates, you can ask the time, you can ask the years, you can ask the day name. You can respond with these. If someone asks from you, so how to respond? It is today is the date is the date today is. We just add the date, add the time in fill in the blanks, and we can respond in this way. So what is date today? So we can say it's April 6th. So we use the ordinals number, not the cardinals numbers. And then there is a practice dialogue. So by just practicing, you will find yourself very easy to ask the time and to tell the time to your interlocutor. Thank you.